So I've been doing a series on things that you do to diminish your home value, but I've got to bring this up. It is setting an unrealistic price, guys. If you go in with a super high price, yes, I know your house is amazing and we have worked hard to stage it, to get it ready, to do the photos, and you're like, oh my God, my house looks so good. But guess what? Value in the eyes of the buyer and the appraiser are going to be set on actual comps, actual numbers. And the buyers will decide, hey, this house is more, you may get multiple offers. But to put your house at an unrealistic price will shy buyers away from you. And you can always tell because something happens. It's called days on the market. The longer your house sits, the more buyers are like, well, you know, it's overpriced, it's going to come down. And then after time, they get bold and they start doing lower ball. We call them low ball offers. It is what it is. So if you come and you're priced right at the very beginning, you attract the strongest buyers. Hey, this is a great house. It's priced well. I'm ready to make an offer, versus the sharks that hang out towards the end when you get those days on the market. So price right.